Welcome to our Cinematic Storycraft English Learning YouTube channel.
It's been so long since we've had a moment like this.
I've missed this, just the two of us.
The sunset looks beautiful tonight, doesn't it?
It does, but nothing compares to being here with you. How was your day?
Busy, but now that I'm here with you, it feels perfect. Do you remember the first time we met?
How could I forget? It was right here under this tree. I feel like time stops when I'm with you.
That's because every moment with you is timeless. You always make me feel so calm, even after the toughest days.
I'm glad I can be your peace. What do you think our future looks like?
As long as you're in it, it's everything I've ever dreamed of. You've changed my life in so many ways, Emily.
And you've given me more love than I ever imagined. I love the way the evening light reflects in your eyes.
And I love the way your smile makes everything brighter. Sometimes, I wonder what I did to deserve you.
You've always had my heart, James. What's something you've never told me?
That every time we say goodbye, I miss you the second you leave. Do you ever think about traveling the world with me?
All the time. As long as I'm with you, any place feels like home. I wish we could freeze this moment.
Maybe we don't need to. We'll make plenty more just like it. What's your favorite memory of us?
Right now, sitting here with you, watching the world slow down. You always know how to make me feel special.
That's because you are special, Emily. To me, you're everything. I love the sound of your laugh. It's my favorite melody.
And I love the way you look at me like I'm the only one who matters. Do you think we'll always be this close?
Closer. I want to grow old with you by my side. What do you think makes us so perfect together?
It's like we balance each other in all the right ways. I don't know what I'd do without you, James.
You'll never have to find out. I'm not going anywhere. This park holds so many of our memories.
It's where everything started for us. It's our little world. Do you ever think about where we'll be in 10 years?
I see us together, happier than ever, still holding hands like we are now. I want to take you on a surprise trip someday, just the two of us.
I'd love that. Any place with you is perfect. You're my favorite person in the world, James.
And you're my reason for everything. How did I get so lucky to have you in my life?
Maybe it was fate, or maybe we were always meant to find each other. Every time I look at you, I see my future.
I see mine too, and it's beautiful because you're in it. Do you think we'll ever run out of things to talk about?
Never. We'll just keep discovering new ways to love each other. I love these quiet moments with you.
Me too. It's like the world fades away and it's just us. You're the best part of my day, Emily.
And you're the best part of mine, James. Do you remember our first date?
Of course, I was so nervous, but you made everything feel right. I can't imagine my life without you.
You don't have to. We're forever, James. What's the one thing you love most about us?
That no matter what happens, we always find our way back to each other. I love watching the stars with you.
And I love knowing that we're under the same sky, no matter where we are. Do you believe in soulmates?
I do, because I found mine in you. You're my best friend, and my love all in one.
And you're my everything, James. What's one dream you have for us?
That we keep growing together, no matter what life throws at us. You make me want to be a better person.
You already are, James. You're perfect to me. Do you know what I love most about you?
What's that?
The way you make me feel safe no matter where we are.
Every moment with you feels like a new adventure.
And I wouldn't want to take it with anyone else. I love how you're always there for me, no matter what.
I always will be, Emily. That's a promise. What would you do if we had a whole day to ourselves?
I'd spend every second with you, making memories. Do you know how much you mean to me?
I do, and I hope you know you mean the world to me too. I never want this night to end.
Me neither. Let's stay here a little longer. What's the first thing you think of when you wake up?
You, every single day. I can't wait for all the adventures we still have ahead.
As long as we're together, I'm ready for anything. What's the one thing you're most grateful for?
You, and every moment we've shared. I love how you always know exactly what to say.
I just speak from the heart, especially when I'm with you. I feel like I could sit here forever with you.
Let's make forever start right now. You've shown me what love really means.
And you've given me a love I never knew existed. Every day with you feels like a gift.
You're the best gift I've ever received. No matter where life takes us, I'll always be right here with you.
And I'll always be right beside you, James. Comment your feedback, like and subscribe our channel